So today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple videos into one. You're going to open your photos, Windows Photo app. So obviously this is a Windows 10 tutorial. New video project. Here in your project library you're going to add, so give it a name, merge. There you're going to add the videos you want to merge. It doesn't matter about the order for now. So here's the tutorial I did. Okay, it's adding the files. There you go. So at the bottom in the storyboard you're going to drag and drop in the order you want them. Pretty sure mine's in the right order. Yeah. Yeah, you can check. Hi guys, so this is it. And check you've got it in the order you want. Make sure the background music's set to none. And finish.